Hey, good day, learners. Good to connect with you online. It's a challenging time, but also a time of great opportunity as you get an opportunity to get ahead of your syllabus. It reminds me of the time when we were in the riots in the 80s and we had also to write exams and we had to prepare at home. And yeah, we just had our textbook and our notebook and that was it. So be encouraged that you can get through this successfully and get to the next grade. Today I'm going to deal with trigonometry grade 12, and I'm going to try and do these videos in bite sizes. So hopefully 3.5 minute videos, and so you can hopefully download it if you are struggling with data. All right, hopefully you can get access to Wi-Fi, so you can freely watch these videos. So we have here some trigonometry. You have different aspects of trigonometry, and of course it's a very important part of paper 2. And here's the first part. We're going to look at some grade 11 trigonometry and see how can we deal with this grade 11 trigonometry as it prepares us for our compound and our double angles, which we'll do in the next video. All right, so here we have cos -18. The question is if cos 18 is m, determine the following. And of course it says in the paper without a calculator. And -18, when it comes to cos, will fall into this quadrant over here. All right, and of course -18 goes down into the positive quadrant of cos. All right, which means that cos remains positive, and of course we know that cos 18 is m. So that's a very simple 1 mark question. In the second one, which can be up to 4 marks depending on what grade you're writing, this one we have 108, so we need to get it to 18 or somewhere similar. So the best thing to do is to actually draw the diagram, right? This is what you learned in grade 11, is to draw the diagram. It's an acute angle, so it falls over there, which means that angle is 72, which is what we will use over here. So cos 18m is adjacent over hypotenuse, and therefore this side is 1 squared minus m squared, and the square root of that will give us that side. All right, so it's quite a intricate symbol over there, or value that we have over there, right? Or term would be a better word. Right, so this would now become tan 180 minus 72, which is the same value as 108, right? And this takes us to the reduction formula from grade 11, which falls into that quadrant, which is the second one, where tan is of course negative. Okay, so now we're working from this angle over here, and that would be opposite over adjacent, so m over the square root of 1 minus m squared. All right, so that gives us a little bit of a warm-up on how to get going into the grade 12 syllabus as we prepare for the next 2 in the next video. All right, so I want you to work on these, and the worksheet that I will be sending you that is available online as well. You can now work through some of these so you can practice these as well. All right, until the next video, see you then.